Hello scholars, I hope you are watching the videos and studying well. Let's start today's class. Let us continue with Unit 4, Topic 28, page number 33, Our Classical Dances. A classical dance form characterized by grace and precision of movement and by elaborate formal gestures, steps and poses. Indian classical dance ought to be part of our school activities. This art form is not only the quintessence of sweetness, beauty and power of our culture, but it is also a prayer and meditation, attracting divine blessings, happiness and peace of mind. Let us study about some of the main classical dance form of our country. In the given exercise, we have to match the classical dance forms to the state of their origin. The first picture we can see is the picture of the dance form Kathakali. Kathakali is the major form of classical Indian dance. It is the most well-known dance drama from the South Indian state of Kerala. It is known for its large, elaborate makeup and costume. We will match 1 with H, Kerala. Second picture is the picture of the dance form Bharatnatyam. Like many other Indian dance form, Bharatnatyam too has different postures and poses. The performer needs to maintain balance throughout the performance. Bharatnatyam is originated in Tanjore district in Tamil Nadu in South India. We will match 2 with G, Tamil Nadu. The third picture is the picture of classical dance form Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is a semi-classical dance form from the state of Kerala, southwestern India. The dance is performed by women in honor of the Hindu god Vishnu in his incarnation as the enchantress Mohini. We will match 3 with C, Kerala. The fourth picture is the picture of the classical dance form Kathak. Kathak is one of the major classical dance of North India, originated from UP. It is originated within Hindu temples as a storytelling device for portraying the epic tales like Mahabharata and Ramayana. Kathak is derived from the word called Katha, meaning story, and during the whole dance, the dancers narrate stories through their eyes and expressions. We will match 4 with B, UP. That is Uttar Pradesh. The fifth picture is the picture of the classical dance form Satriya. Satriya dance form was introduced in the 15th century AD by the great Vaishnava saint and reformer of Assam. This was the artistic way presenting mythological teaching to the people. We will match 5 with A, Assam. The sixth picture shows the classical dance form Manipuri. Manipuri dance is one of the major Indian classical dance form named after the region of its origin, Manipur, a state in northeastern India. The main theme of this dance is Lord Krishna's Ras Leela, which represent Lord Krishna's dance with his gopis. We will match 6 Manipuri dance with D, Manipur. Seventh picture is the picture of the dance form Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is a dance drama performance with its roots in the ancient Hindu Sanskrit text of Natya Shastra. It is originated in the village named Kuchipudi in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. We will match 7 with F, Andhra Pradesh. The eighth picture is the picture of the dance form Odissi. Odissi is the major ancient Indian classical dance that originates in the Hindu temples of Odisha, an eastern coastal state of India. Odissi is the dance of love and passion. It is particularly known for its lyrical grace, elaborate rhythmic variations and dramatic expressions. We will match 8 with E, Odisha. Let's move to the next topic, Indian film personalities. India is a country where movies are very well liked by the people. Since the release of the first movie in the year 1913, the Indian film industry has been moving at such a pace that there has been no looking back. With Bollywood coming into existence, the film actress and actresses also made its presence inevitable in the industry. Let us identify the film personality in the given exercise and write their names in the blanks given. The first picture we can see is the picture of Ranbir Kapoor. We will write in the space given Ranbir Kapoor. The second picture is the picture of film personality Priyanka Chopra. We will write in the space given Priyanka Chopra. The third picture is the picture of the film personality Aamir Khan. We will write in the space given Aamir Khan. The fourth picture we can see is the picture of film personality Anushka Sharma. We will write in the space given Anushka Sharma. Fifth picture is the picture of film personality Salman Khan. We will write in the space given Salman Khan. And the sixth picture is the picture of the film personality Kareena Kapoor. We will write in the space given Kareena Kapoor. Now let us move to the next topic, famous Indian musician. Indian music is said to be among the oldest musical traditions in the world. The origin of this system goes back to the Vedas. The present system of Indian music is based on two important pillars, Rag and Tal. Rag is the melodic form while Tal is the rhythmic form. There are many famous Indian musicians who gave their melodious music. Let us identify these famous musicians of India in the given exercise. In the given exercise, we have to name the famous musician of India. In the first question, the clue given is acknowledged as the Nightingale of Carnatic music. She was the first musician ever to be awarded the Bharat Ratna, and she is Dr. M.S. Subbulakshmi. Dr. M.S. Subbulakshmi is acknowledged as the Nightingale of Carnatic music. We will write in the space given Dr. M.S. Subbulakshmi. Question number 2. Indian vocalist in the Hindustani classical tradition. He was conferred the prestigious Bharat Ratna award in 2008, and he is Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi was awarded Bharat Ratna award in 2008. We will write in the space given Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. Number 3. He is a well-known master classical musician who played sarod. He is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Ustad Amjad Ali Khan plays sarod. We will write in the space given Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Number 4. She is also known as the Nightingale of South India, and she is K.S. Chitra. K.S. Chitra is known as the Nightingale of South India. We will write in the space given K.S. Chitra. Number 5. He is an eminent flutist of India. He has been conferred many prestigious national and international awards, and he is Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia is the eminent flutist of India. We will write in the space given Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. Number 6, the legendary Shehnai player of India. He was the third classical musician to be awarded the Bharat Ratna. And the Shehnai player is Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan is the legendary Shehnai player awarded Bharat Ratna award. We will write in the space given Bismillah Khan. Now let us do the exercise given on page number 36. Mix bag 2. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Question number 1. How many oceans does the earth have? And the option given is 4 or 5. And the answer is 5. The earth have 5 oceans. Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. We will write in the space given 5. Question number 2. The largest water bodies on earth are called dash, rivers or oceans. And the largest water bodies on earth are oceans. We will write in the space given oceans. Question number 3. Mushrooms and molds are non-green plants. And the answer is true. Mushrooms and molds are non-green plants. They are fungi. We will write in the space given true. Question number 4. Which direction does the sun rise in India? And the answer is east. Sun rises in the east. We will write in the space given east. Question number 5. Which is the longest key on the computer's keyboard? And the longest key is spacebar key. We will write in the space given spacebar. Question number 6. Who repairs house wiring and electrical gadgets? The option given is mechanic or electrician. And the answer is electrician. The electrician repairs house wirings and electrical gadgets. We will write in the space given electrician. Question number 7. Which planet looks reddish when viewed with the telescope? And the answer is Mars. Mars is the red planet. We will write in the space given Mars. Question number 8. Which one is sold by weight? Milk or vegetables? And the answer is vegetables. Vegetables are sold by weight. We will write in the space given vegetables. Question number 9. What is this instrument used for? And in the picture we can see the stethoscope. So it is used for examining heartbeat. We will write in the space given examining heartbeat. Question number 10. In a certain code, finger FINGER is written as 167250. What is the code for ring RING in that language? So here FINGER, for each letter there is one number given. So for ring RING, we have to find out the code. For letter R, the number given is 0. For letter I, the number given is 6. For letter N, it is 7. And for letter G, it is 2. So our answer for ring is 0672. We will write in the space given 0672. Question number 11. What is 10000 called? It is 10,000. This number is called 10,000. We will write in the space given 10,000. With this we come to the end of Unit 4. Now it's time to end the class. Go through the PDF given in the description box and complete all the exercise given. We will meet soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.